Hey guys, Richard here with eBike Reviews and Adventures, and so I want to share with you something that a friend over on my Facebook writing group page shared with me. His name is Rick, and he came up with a good solution for charging your e-bike batteries. Now, if you've been around for a little while, you've been around e-bikes, you've probably seen some videos and stories and heard the nightmares about e-bike batteries sometimes catching on fire because they get overheated, they overcharge, they overheat, and they catch fire. And you know, that is true, that does happen. But you know, some e-bike manufacturers, they choose a battery that is UL listed, meaning it's been through the testing. They've built technology into it to help prevent it from getting too hot and overcharging and catching fire, that sort of thing. But there's a lot of manufacturers that don't take that step because that's, you know, expensive process for them. And so they grab just any old cheap battery and they shove it into their e-bikes, and that's where the problems can come about. So I was looking for a solution to maybe mitigate this a little bit. And my friend over, like I said, his name is Rick, over on the Facebook group page, showed me this little device right here that he came up with, and it is an outlet timer. And I'd looked at outlet timers before, and I tried one and it didn't work very well, and so I don't use it. But this one actually works very well, and I'm real happy with it, so I wanted to share it with you. Basically, all it is it's a you know, you plug your charger into the back right here. You plug this into your outlet, and then from there you have an option on the front there to choose whether you want the outlet to be turned on for, you know, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours, 4 hours, or 6 hours. And so it's great for e-bikes because if your battery is really low, probably choose the 4 or the 6 hour option, right? And then come out and check it, and if you need to, you can start it again. But the great thing is, you know, after that 4 hours or 6 hours, this thing shuts off, and so you don't have to worry about your, you know, going to sleep at night and forgetting that you have your e-bike plugged in and it's sitting there charging all night long, and where there's a risk of maybe something happening. So this is a great little device. I'll show you real quick how we do it, if I can get it over here and show you. I don't know if you can see that or not. I'm not looking at the camera. You see there? You just plug that in. It lights up. Did you see that? We've got a charger here. We're just going to plug it into the back here. I can reach it underneath my cabinet. And then the other end, we're just going to go on down over here and use the Hemiway as an example. I'm going to plug this in right here, one-handed. And back over here to the charger. Then all we do is say, you know, I know that battery is pretty full, so maybe I'll just hit an hour. And just let it run for an hour, see if that'll top it off. And of course, we look. Yeah, see? So it needs something because that lit up, that's red. So I'll just let it run for an hour and see how that goes. And, you know, if I come back out and, you know, check it later, and if this is still, you know, when I check it, if this is still red, I'll maybe turn it on for another hour or two. But really handy little device. You know, it's only like 10 bucks or something, so I'd go out there and check it out. Maybe pick one up because it's just a little added layer of safety with when it comes to charging your e-bikes. So that's it. That's all I got. If you have any questions, drop them down below. If you like this video, you think it was valuable, give me a thumbs up. I'll see you in the next one.